yellow இருக்கு ரெட்டா இருக்கு So making my evening coffee is like my most favorite part because I don't make coffee in the morning. Like when I'm at home, I don't drink coffee in the mornings, okay? I only have it in the evenings. Ipada I'm making it like quite regular because so that I don't fall asleep madhyanam because it's really taking like a toll on my entire sleep schedule. So I have decided not to sleep in the afternoon. So adinala coffee kudika regular ah aakirken. I don't know how much of a healthy or an unhealthy habit this is, but at least it's helping me get some work done, so I'm just gonna give it with that. I love making my evening coffee because it's the most relaxing part for me, and I made some filter coffee today, but I'm going to be making it like kind of cold. No, actually not like ice level cold, but like cold with cold milk. So depending on my mood for hot or cold, I just decide what I want to do. But today was in the mood for cold, and I'm adding a little bit sugar. I've actually not been drinking much of green tea these days. I don't know why. Okay, so this beater from IKEA, I actually showed it to you guys in like another vlog, but I've been using this like every single time. It's so good. Just look at it, okay? It's gonna splatter a little bit. Yeah, but it's... You see how frothy it's making it? Literally it's taking 30 seconds. I'm not even kidding. So can you see how much of coffee there is right now? And it's all fluffy inside. I think that milk should be okay, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of cream because I need it for cooking in the afternoon, so I'm just adding very little. I'm adding my milk. Yeah, I think this milk is actually quite enough. How frothy the coffee has turned out. Yay! I'm just gonna keep this metallic spoon inside. Why did I say spoon? Metallic straw. It's turned out perfect today because it's like super bitter. When the coffee is more bitter, it kind of puts you like in that waking up mode almost immediately. If it's too sugary also, it kind of wakes me up, but then it kind of makes me feel dizzy after a point because of the sugar rush. I am still sore from yesterday's training. Like I couldn't wake up, but it's cushy day. I have no idea how long I've been waiting for this. Especially if you're a Samantha simp like me. Vijay Devakonda comes second place. Samantha is my top, like over everybody else. Yeah, so I'm literally just going to go and watch her on full screen because it's been a really long time since I watched any of her movies in theater. So I'm just super excited. So I'm just gonna go get ready and get leaving.